If you spend half your day working on a computer, you've probably tried to post or manage content straight from your desktop app. But when it comes to Telegram stories, things get a bit annoying. You open Telegram on your PC, look at the chat list, and while you can see other people's stories sitting right there at the top, finding where to upload your own can feel like playing hide and seek. Can you actually share stories on Telegram from your PC? Or are you still forced to pull out your phone every single time? Let's clear up how it works. First off, let's talk about viewing. If you're running an up-to-date version of Telegram Desktop, checking out stories is super easy. Those little circular rings show up right at the top of your chat list. You can click through them, watch updates from your contacts or channels, and drop reactions without ever touching your mobile device. Now, what about posting? Historically, Telegram kept story creation strictly locked to the mobile iOS and Android apps. But because the desktop ecosystem keeps getting heavy feature updates, like advanced media editors, rich text formatting, and image tools, managing your profile content has gotten a lot more flexible. Depending on your exact app version and whether you're managing a personal profile or a boosted channel, you can access your profile media options directly from the desktop interface. If the direct upload button isn't fully rolled out on your specific desktop client version yet, don't sweat it. The absolute best workaround is prepping your high-res photos or edited videos right on your PC, dropping them into a saved messages folder, and posting them via mobile, or using the latest desktop media utilities. If you're creating content professionally, like running a channel or a community, handling your assets on a computer is just way faster. Instead of dealing with awkward mobile file transfers, keep your images and clips organized in folders on your hard drive. Use Telegram's desktop app to handle your heavy text editing, draft your captions, and keep your media prepped so that when you do push updates live, it takes literally 5 seconds. Telegram Desktop keeps getting closer to a full desktop-first experience every single update. If this quick walkthrough cleared up how stories work on your PC, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech tips, and drop a comment below letting me know if you prefer doing everything on mobile or your computer. See ya!